imagine somebody wanting to get their truck away from that one, huh?
Yeah. Everybody, heads up in the clear. We have rigs moving. Everybody be safe. Down in this area, please. Everybody, heads up on pit road.
Generator's running away, isn't it?
Yeah, sounds like it.
The governor's not shutting her down. Yeah, you should be able to. You should either have a fuel kill or an air kill to it. Some of the CO2 extinguisher can kill that real quick. They stick it in the air inlet.
Yeah, not gonna have any more air to breathe.
I wouldn't worry at this point about wrecking that motor.
Yeah, I'd say it's done.
Well, you burned down half the pits here.
Yeah.
People ain't gonna be
once
happy.
it starts going, it ain't stopping.
So once again, folks, in the clear area, please heads up. You have fire personnel on the scene trying to take care of this situation.